glass of milk. Hi, my name is Jhezaniah. My friend, I'd like to tell you about how to make a glass of milk. Ingredients: 1 sachet of sweet condensed milk, a glass of water. Materials: a spoon and a glass. Steps: first, put 1 sachet of sweet condensed milk into the glass. Then, pour 1 glass of water into the glass. Next, stir all ingredients. Finally, the milk is ready to drink. Thanks for watching.